Well, someone side I and ask if everything alright. I tell the brethren, no, everything not alright, and everything can't alright. Who want done this mask wearing bullshit in a Jamaica? Who would fit dead I go dead and who not go dead just for just live? With either you intellectual fools trying to tell us how to live our life. You are so smart, we haven't found a cure for cancer. You are both all out in a line and putting the Jamaican people in abject fear and driving us all to poverty. What have you done for all those who you have laid off and make them business close early? Jamaican people need to wake up. I'm done with the fuckery. Jamaican people need to wake up. But now we're no mask. Because man no for mask no make for man. So hear this. And from September and January we about I'm gonna fuck with the people them. Free my people. Free my people. Now. They thought you to love Michael Jackson. Then they thought you to hate Michael Jackson. They thought you to love Bill Cosby. Then they thought you to hate Bill Cosby. Don't you see that they have been lying to us for all these times? So why should we believe them now? Why? How ironic it is that this virus actually is more intelligent than man. It's like it move and following certain individuals wherever they go. My people, you better wake up because you go and find out. First and foremost, Jamaicans are selling a vote, you know. And from when selling a vote, you know, no sense. So anything can happen right now. Wise up and stand up on the last chance before you reach the precipice. My love for you supersede all that this world has to offer. I will not join the other entertainers and trick you. I will not lead you down a path of destruction. I've always been sincere and true to you, my people. A lot of people are benefiting by touting and pushing my people down the path that is totally destructive. Here in Jamaica, here in America, I don't care. My life is not mine. It has never been. So hear me, my people. While I'm here with you, stand up, you know.